Hello everyone, today's video is about understanding the fundamental components of academic writing, which are very important for students to earn a high grade in their writing assignments and projects. So let's get started. As you can see from the definition on the screen, that academic writing should not leave the reader confused. That's why it should be clear and short. You don't require extra or irrelevant information. That means you will stay focused on one big picture and shape all your small ideas into paragraphs in an organized manner. The most important thing to remember is that you should always try to back up your writing with examples, similar work of another author, or facts if available. Also remember that the purpose of academic writing is to facilitate the existing understanding of a reader for a particular topic. Well, there are different types of academic writings. Some of them are persuasive, analytical, literature review, descriptive, but the most common one is the essay writing. You need to demonstrate a high level of critical thinking and understanding in any type of writing you undertake. Now we are going to examine three main elements of academic writing, which are formal, impersonal, and technical. For any type of writing, we should consider our audience first. And as we know that formal writing is often used for academic and business purpose. That's why we should use a serious tone and avoid using casual and conversational language. What does that mean? Let's have a look at this example. Somewhat is more formal than a bit. Insufficient is more formal than not enough. Similarly, we should avoid contractions. Instead of writing didn't, we should use did not. Impersonal style is used in academic writings as it deals with issues while excluding the writer's opinions and feelings. Although academic writing usually requires you to be objective and impersonal, often you may still have to present your opinion. For example, you may need to interpret findings, evaluate a theory, develop an argument, or critique the work of others. Here is an example of writing objectively to express your opinion without going off the track. Instead of writing, I believe that motivation has a positive effect on learning as per the findings of this research, you can write, the findings of this research indicate that motivation affects students' learning in a positive manner. Sounds better, isn't it? As well as using formal language, you also need to write technically. This means that you need to develop a large vocabulary of special words or discipline-oriented words used for the concepts specific to the discipline or field of study. Look at these examples. Hypotension and hypertension are the words used by doctors and medical practitioners for the words commonly known as low blood pressure and high blood pressure respectively. Similarly, cardio is used instead of heart. Outpatient is a word used for people who check into the hospital and without being admitted to the hospital check out the same day. We all know that practice makes a man perfect. Therefore, let's have a look at the takeaways of this video. I hope this video has helped you grasp the basic understanding of academic writing. I will keep making more videos for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep sharing the knowledge. See you in the next video. Bye.